Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I just wanted to let you know that we are not having a regular video out today because we're doing a special evening live fire sale. And so if you have never been to our fire sales, I want to welcome you to our special evening one. Normally we do them in the middle of the day, but today we're actually doing one tonight at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So we start right at 6 p.m. on the dot. We've got over 70 items for sale, a lot of them clothing items, so you'll be very interested, but we've got some sports cameras, some camera bags, really unique artisan pieces made by local artisans in the area of lamps and things like that. And so check those out. But again, our fire sale is Thursday night this week, April 13th at 6 p.m. How do you buy on the fire sale? Well, you simply need to just be in attendance during the live stream. You can donate if you want, if you're just watching to have fun. But if not, and you want to actually purchase the items, you simply write the word sold and then the number item that we're on, and then I will invoice you before midnight that evening. I usually, during my daytime ones, invoice you before 8 p.m., but that's okay. You can pay the next day. I'll invoice you from hookedonpickin.com, which is right behind me. And of course, you'll get an invoice from me and you can pay via secure credit card checkout or through PayPal. So I have those two options to pay. So if I don't have your information, you're going to also send me an email at hookedonpickin with no G on the end, just like it's spelled behind me, at gmail.com, or you can go to hookedonpickin.com, go to the contact me section and just say, hey, my name was Fat Goods, if that's your name, and send me an email with your contact info and your address. Then I'm able to send you an email. So you simply write sold, then the number, and you get to buy it if you're the first one on there. It's a lot of fun. People have been enjoying it greatly, and we also do all combined shipping. So you'll never pay more than $30 if you buy something on my sale, no matter how many items you buy, and sometimes that's a really good deal. There have been items that I have shipped that have cost me $40 or $50 to ship, but that customer never pays more than $30. You'll pay as little as $4.50 for shipping if you only buy one item. That's very light. And so the combined shipping on a fire sale is a really awesome thing to do. But I just wanted to remind you, evening fire sale, 6 p.m. And so all the things that you need to know, I have just explained. So come and join us. Make sure when you join the live that you're in live chat, not top chat. And anytime during the live stream, if you happen to buffer, make sure you close the window and reopen the window so that you're actually live. Because sometimes when it buffers, it likes to push you to the back a few seconds, and then you lose out on that great deal that you were wanting to have. So those are some fun tips for when you're doing live stream. So hopefully you'll join us at 6 p.m. tonight. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.